See these Gaelic schools, I like to call them Gaelic, the Gaelic schools. I know they do not like that. I'm controversial Campbell, and I'm here to tell it like it is. Gaelics, they are taking over. Whatever they want, they get it. Schools, there's about 700 different schools like this in the country. Each one of them, about £150 million easy. Not just that, the teachers. They have teacher for primary 1, right? Primary 2. They've got teachers for primary 3, teacher for primary 4, primary 5, all the way up to primary 7, right? And they're all on about 150,000 easy. And then you're looking around, they're giving them pencils and pens and desks. And look at this. They've got a running track, right? A shot put. And then goals. What are they teaching them here? You think that maybe they're teaching them chemistry, right? Maybe physics. It's not that. They are teaching them Gaelic dancing, Gaelic song, a new song every single day. And the thing is, this is political. It's all the government. They are pushing this, right? You're being brainwashed. This is a fascist school run by communists, and you've got to fight back. Come and join me. I'm going to go make my banner just now.